Buffalo Creek Berry Farm, July 31. So most of these berries have been picked. We're in the Baldwins, there's still some remaining, but Jason's here doing the mow and blow, so mowing it back onto the road. And there we go, so he's operating at low revs here just to blow that gently back under the tree so that we've got some organic matter there to protect and provide a home for soil microbiology, and we hope that they're going to do a lot of nutrient cycling and build up the nutrition in the soil for the tree. And so part of that program will be applying some biology, some compost tea, and some of that stuff we'll make at home, and some we may purchase as Organic Materials Review Institute approved. So that's it. There's a few berries left, not many. Our pickers have done a great job, but there's some still to ripen up here, July 31, so there's still some Baldwins left to pick, and we'll have the irrigation on and still have a little bit more picking to do, but not much. Okay, that's it for now. July 31, 2019, signing off.